Right, welcome back, video editors of Room 8. So here we go. You've come this far, you've got yourself a pretty good looking little video. We have got a lot of clips on the timeline. We've got some nice motion. And so what we want to do in this video is show you a shortcut for adding motion to images. And then taking a look at some transitions. Transitions being those areas right in between an image. So let's go through real quickly and finish up our motion. And we need to fix that one and that one, I see. And so a way that you can do a shortcut when you have images of the same length, same duration, and you want to do the same type of motion. For example, we're just on most of these we're just zooming straight in and there's no position changes, no XY change. And so you can click on any of those that have that. And so I'll just pick this one. And what you can do is you can copy the motion settings and then simply paste them to another image rather than having to go in each time and set the keyframe at the beginning, set the keyframe at the end, increase it. If you have a standard setting for a similar image, and all of these are by default, most of them are 5 seconds. We have a few changes in there, but most of them are 5 seconds. So if that's the case, what I can do is I'm going to click on this image here. I'm going to click on motion. So you have to make sure that it is highlighted. And then shortcut for copying anything is Control-C. So I'm going to copy those motion settings. And then I'm going to find the image that needs it. That needs some motion. So I'm going to click on that image. Actually, that one's going to be a problem because you can see that we set that at 30 seconds or at 30%. We're going to have to come back to that one. So we can find one. Let's see what this one is. That one has the same settings. That one we could probably do it. We'll give it a try. It's going to be, once it's clicked, Control-V. We'll paste that setting. You should see it change up here. We can't do that one either because those were already set at particular parameters. So we can't do those. Let's see, how about this one? Let's see what that looks like. Motion settings on that one. Yes, here's our standard settings. So we could go ahead, Control-V, and you see that it did increase it a little bit there. Let's see how it looks. See if we need to adjust it. Yeah, it's moving in. I'm going to let that stay. That'll be okay. Let's take a look at this one, see what the settings were on our first one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to copy those settings. Sometimes you have to do some trial and error with these. So once again, click on motion, Control-C, go find a similar image. And when I say similar, I mean in duration, another 5-second image that has not had any settings put on. There. No settings on that one. Control-V, once again, make sure it's selected. Control-V, you see it put the same exact settings, so now when we play it, there's that motion. And we can do it to that one. Control-V, there it goes. So you can see we're saving quite a bit of time once we've done that the first time. Now you may say, why didn't you show this to me during that first video when you were doing that? Well, you know what the answer to that is. You need to know how to do it. And the only way that you can get better at doing something like this is practice. You need the practice. It's always important. That one's already in because we did that left to right. That one's a standard image. We can do that. There it is. That one is different, so we're going to have to handle those separately. Although this one here we could probably do it on. Let me try. There. And that one. So now it's going pretty fast. Getting towards the end here. Just pressing Control-V. Select the image. And press Control-V to paste the motion settings. And there you have it. And the other one we already took care of. And there we go. And then we're going to go to the black. And then one more to do. Right there. Oops. Careful. Control-Z. I want to make sure I didn't mess that up. Yeah, see, I pressed Control-Z, and it undid my motion, so I got to put that back in there. I thought that I did that, so I'm going to be careful. See, I'm trying to go fast here, and so it's easy to make mistakes. Let's see. Where's that picture? This one right here is a little different, so I'll have to press Shift Home, set that motion, lock in that keyframe there, go to the end, and insert a keyframe, zoom her in just a little bit, and let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's nice. Good effect. And so there you go. That's a shortcut for copying motion to other images of a similar duration. Save you a lot of time. And I'm going to end that video with this, and then in the next video we'll go ahead and get into the transitions.